Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G52, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should just open the settings app and then scroll down to the wallpaper section. Here just tap to the photos, default wallpapers or live wallpapers to select one from the, for example, this available default one, or for you we can also use our device photos or previously taken on our device camera or downloaded, for example, from the internet. So let's just go back with the regular, for example with this one. We can see how this just wallpaper will just look on the lock screen. Then just click here to OK and select lock screen. After that we can see the message that was wallpaper set successfully, and here we can see the message sorry the new just lock screen wallpaper on our device lock screen. Also we can do it by the second way. Just hold for a while one from your device screens and click here to wallpapers. Then just select one from our device photos, or for example device wallpapers. You'll open the same just folders here, so let's use this one. We can see how this will look on the lock screen. Click on the right down corner and tap to lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.